Welcome back to MKE Gadgets. Today we're going to talk about power tapping on a lathe. The problem always has been aligning your tap and a tap handle so you don't break off the tap and get a nice straight threaded hole. I made an attachment here that goes into your tailstock drill chuck and your tap handle slides right into it. With the 1/4-20 tap and the tap handle and the stock drilled out number 7, 201/1000ths, let's do some power tapping. Now a nice feature of this driving tool is once you got the tap started, you can slide back to tailstock and you can go in and break your chip and then keep tapping. But the most important thing is you got it started going in straight. I watched many videos online and people making these, and they all use round stock. The reason I don't like round stock is because it rolls. It can roll off your table, it can roll off your lathe. I just happen to have 1-inch aluminum hex stock, so that's what I used. The prototype is a solid aluminum, and I turned it down, but it slipped in the drill chuck a little bit and galled it, and I figured it wouldn't last real long. So the second one I made, 1-inch aluminum hex, and I pressed in a 1/2-inch W1 drill rod. I have a 1/1000th interference fit. I drilled and reamed the driver end 499/1000ths. I drilled 21/32, an 1.5 inches deep. That is 655/1000ths. The diameter of my Starrett 93B tap handle is 650/1000ths. Fits in there real nice, and more important, it comes out really nice. The 1-inch aluminum hex is 2 3/8 long. The next operation is milling the slot. Let's go to the mill. I recently received this picture as a gift. A few years ago we went to the drag races, and my friend Mike, who has a very nice camera, took some great pictures. He framed this and gave me this Christmas gift, and I hang it in my shop above my lathe. I just wanted to thank Mike. I'm dedicating this video to Mike, and when I'm all done, I'm going to give him one of the tap drivers as a little thank you. At the mill, I got a 1/4-inch cutter, 2 flute high-speed steel. I'm running at 1800 RPMs, 10 inches a minute. I found the center of the hex and I touched off the end. Let's have some fun. When you hear it ding, you know something's done. Let's take a look. Here's the driver bodies. Got them 200 degrees. That one's 350. That one's 200 degrees. Must be a hot spot in the center. The driver parts are outside in the snowbank. I'll retrieve them and we'll assemble. Be right back. I took the temperature of the driver outside and it was 28 degrees. I scribed a line with the lathe so I know how far to go in. So this is 300 degrees, this is 28 degrees. Let's see how it goes together. Look at that. I'm going to set that down and let it cool. Once it cools down, we go back to the mill where we're going to drill, ream a hole for a pin. Let it cool a bit. We're going to center drill 11/64, and then we're going to ream 168.5 thousandths for a 3/16 pin. First, we center drill. .3/16 dowel pin, 1 inch long. Today at MKE Gadgets, we made a T-handle lathe tap driving tool that goes in the tailstock of a lathe. I think it turned out pretty good. Now, if you don't have the stair tap handle like I got, you might have to change some of the dimensions, and the dimensions aren't really that hard. It's whatever size stock you have, and then up to your imagination. The first time Mother came down in the shop, she saw the pizza oven, and she says, "Why do you need a pizza oven in the shop?" My response was, "You never know what you're going to heat up." Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.